If you feel tired all the time, if your motivation is gone, if focusing on anything meaningful feels harder than it used to, then this video is for you. A few years ago, I started noticing something strange. Nothing dramatic happened in my life. No major failure, no crisis. But my energy was gone. My drive disappeared, and my brain constantly searched for the easiest possible reward. Today, I want to explain why this happens, what's really going on inside your brain, and how you can begin reversing it, step by step. Most people blame themselves. They think they're lazy. They think they lack discipline. They think they're broken. But in most cases, that's not true. The real problem is overstimulation. We live in a world of instant rewards, instant entertainment, instant pleasure, instant distraction. Over time, your brain adapts to this environment. It starts rejecting effort. It avoids discomfort. And that's why things that matter, work, goals, relationships, progress, suddenly feel exhausting. Dopamine is often misunderstood. It's not about pleasure. It's about drive. Dopamine is released when your brain expects something rewarding. It's what pushes you to act. But here's the problem. When dopamine is triggered constantly by effortless rewards, your brain starts lowering its sensitivity. That means normal life stops feeling motivating. Small wins feel meaningless. Progress feels slow. Your brain is not broken. It's overstimulated. There's one private habit millions of people struggle with. It's rarely talked about honestly. It offers instant stimulation, zero effort, no resistance. Over time, it teaches the brain to crave intensity instead of growth. The issue isn't morality. The issue is how the brain adapts. When stimulation becomes effortless, motivation disappears. I noticed this in my own life. Simple tasks felt heavy. Goals felt distant. So I decided to experiment. I removed one habit completely. Not forever, just temporarily. The first few days were uncomfortable. The first week felt restless. But then something changed. My thoughts became clearer, my energy stabilized, and my focus slowly returned. That's when I realized motivation isn't something you force. It's something you restore. If you want your motivation back, here are 3 principles that actually work. First, reduce instant stimulation. Not permanently, just enough to let your brain reset. Second, bring effort back into your life. Exercise, learning, building. Third, protect your attention. Sleep well, get sunlight, move daily. Motivation returns when your brain remembers effort equals reward. If this video resonated with you, you're not alone. Millions feel this way. They just don't understand why. This channel is about rebuilding focus, discipline, and mental clarity. If you want more content like this, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.